really at the end of the day, like the passion of the people is what TopSpot actually is.
There's not many industrial marketing companies with 18 years experience. And then, a lot of our sales reps, a lot of the original founders of TopSpot dates back much further than that, 20, 30 plus years of experience. So the knowledge is exponential.
Because of our affiliation with so many manufacturing associations, we're able to give back to that community and stay connected to it.
So the role that we play in this last year and a half has been crucial to helping manufacturers get found and connect those dots that have been broken because of the supply chain issues.
It's really about giving with no expectation of receiving, just to make sure that the manufacturing community has this information with which to succeed.
We love this space. We geek out on it. They're thrilled because now they actually have someone that can hear them, that can talk their language and actually become a partner that they need.
But we are all in on giving to the manufacturing community and making sure that they know what the path to success looks like.